Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm V, Simply V at Home. Today we're going to make this beautiful wall mirror. The items you're going to need are a large mirror. I picked up a 14-inch mirror from Michael's, 6 Dollar Tree mirrors, 6 1-inch mirrors that I got from Michael's, a 10 by 10 canvas, 6 square blocks from Michael's, and 6 ABC blocks from Dollar Tree. Now the first thing that I did is I applied a good amount of E6000 to the back of my canvas. The reason for this is that this item is going to be extremely heavy once it's complete. You know, you have a large 14-inch mirror, you have the smaller Dollar Tree mirrors. So all of these mirrors add up is going to cause a lot of weight. You want to ensure that this canvas is not going to come off of your larger mirror. To do that, just use a ton of E6000, some hot glue, and let it sit overnight before you do anything further with it. That's what I did, and that canvas is on the back of that mirror. It's not coming off at all. Now, once it's completely dried, I just clean the mirror off, removing all the dust and the fingerprints. It's just going to help the glue stick better. Now I cleared off all the labels and tabs off of the black back of the Dollar Tree mirrors. Now, I did take and lightly spray paint my blocks outside. The ABC blocks and the little small square blocks that I got from Michael's are wood, and you don't want to see that, even though you're not, just in case. I just wanted to spray paint them to get rid of that wood look. Once I did that, let them dry, I set the mirrors up in the style that I want. Now, you can set these mirrors on the Dollar Tree mirrors on top of the 14-inch mirror any way you want. There's a variety of styles you can apply, so just use your imagination, you know, and I'm sure that your project is going to be beautiful. So once I had the spacing set up, I just eyeballed it. I glued down the 3/4 inch blocks, and now I'm going to go ahead and adhere the Dollar Tree mirrors to each one of those. I did start out using that Gorilla Glue Super Gel, and it worked, but I just wasn't sure, so I went ahead and switched to E6000. I think they both would work, but I just was more comfortable with the E6000, so I did go back. Now here I am applying the ABC blocks in between the Dollar Tree mirrors. Now the 1-inch mirrors that I got from Michael's, those come 5 in a pack, so I used 1 pack plus 1. They were only either $2.49 or $2.99 for a pack, and then I used my 40% off coupon, so they were very inexpensive. It's the same thing with the little small 1-inch mirrors. Those actually come 25 in a pack. They're the nickel size mirrors I'm going to use next. 25 in a pack. They were either $2.49 or $2.99 at Dollar Tree, and they also come in square as well. But this project, very beautiful, but turned out but it's very inexpensive to make. I think I've spent maybe $10 or $12 to make this beautiful mirror. But these are the little small mirrors that come 25 in a pack at Michael's. So once you have everything glued down, I would wait overnight before you try to hang it, just to let all the glue set up, and you know, make sure you have the right kind of nails in the walls, because again, this is a heavy project. But it was very quick. I gifted this beautiful mirror to my best friend. She absolutely loved it, and I enjoyed making it. I want to thank all of you for watching this video. Thank you to my old subscribers, welcome to my new subscribers. Please like, share, and comment on this video. I really love reading your comments. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We'll see you in the next video.